Good morning, class! Today we will study about what time is it? Yay! Give applause! Well, telling time is a tricky activity because it can be difficult for many students. But as a teacher, we can make a fun learning activity about how to tell time to the student by using clock property. Yeah. Why we choose to use this media? Because it can made from the recycled material and it's simple to make. This media is suitable for the 7th grade of junior high school students and it supports them to read the time correctly and also motivate them to learn about mathematics. But of course, every single learning media has their own disadvantages and advantages. The advantage of this media are: first, develop student ability to observe and conduct experiment. The second one, it can attract the student interest and attention. And the last one is develop the ability to solve the problem because students have to match between the digital clock and this analog clock. While the disadvantages of this media is if the teacher doesn't master it enough, it will have difficulty in explaining time to the student. Therefore, the teacher are expected to be able to make a creative and interesting teaching media or teaching aids so the students are motivated to learn mathematics or maybe to read the time correctly and also increase their ability and creativity. Okay, now I will introduce you about the part of this clock. This is an analog clock. The number around the clock are hours. There are 12 hours marked on the clock. The line around the edge are minutes. There are 60 minutes marked on the clock. There are 5 minutes from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on. Skip count by 5 times. The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. There are 2 ways about how to read the clock. The first one in American way. We mention the number first and then the minutes. So the formula is hour plus minutes. For example, we read it 9:05. We read it 5:20. And the last one, we read it 8:45. As simple as that. The second one, in a British way. We mention the minute first and then the hour number. So the formula is minutes plus past or to plus hours. But firstly, we need to divide this clock into 2 parts. The left side we called as past and the right side we called as preview. In minute 1 to 30, we add the word past after mentioning the minute. The hour number are fixed and unchanged. For example, we read it 5 past 9. And then we read this clock 20 past 12. For the minute 31 until 59, we add the word to after mentioning the minutes. The hour number is changed by adding 1 or changing to a number afterward. We say the minutes according to the duration, not to the original minutes. For example, we can read this clock. It's 25 to 8. Next. It's 10 to 2. Then how about less or more 15 minutes? Well, if the time is more 15 minutes or the long hand is point to the number 3, we can say quarter past. For example, like this one. We can read this clock, we can read this clock, it's quarter past 6. Or this one. We can read this clock, it's quarter past 9. But if the time is less 15 minutes or the long hand is point to the numbers 9, we use to say quarter to. For example, this one, it's quarter to 4. Or maybe this one, it's quarter to 2, like that. Meanwhile, for 30 minutes or when the long hand of this hour is point to the number 6, we use a half past. For example, like this one. We can read this clock, it's a half past 2. Or maybe this one. It's a half past 7. The last one, for mentioning the time that doesn't have minutes or when the long hand is point at the number 12, just say using a clock. For example, this one. We can say it's 1 o'clock. Or this one. It's 7 o'clock. Finish! Yay! Now I challenge you to match the digital clock with an analog clock and then read it in the British way. Okay, come on, we go to the first challenge. Okay, this one. Can you read this clock? Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Good. Now we match it to the analog clock. We move the short hand to the number 3 and then the long hand to the number 12. Okay, so we say it 3 o'clock. Good job. Next, this one. Okay, don't forget that we mention the minutes first and then the hour number. So we say it's 25 past 8. We match it to the analog clock. So we move the long hand to the 25 minutes, this one. And then what's 8? Oh, sorry. It's 25 past 8. Good. Well, you did a great job. Next, this one. It's so easy, I think. Okay, so how you say it? It's a half past 11. Okay, match it to the analog clock. A half, so we move the long hand to the number 6 and then it's a half past 11. Next, this one. More 15 minutes. So we use quarter past. Okay, good. So we say it a quarter past 6. A quarter past. So we move the long hand to the number 3 and then the short hand to the number 6. Okay, it's quarter past 6. Very good. Okay, come on. We go to the last game. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, because 40 is on the right side of this analog, so we use the word 2 and the minute we say according to its duration. And also in the number of hours we add 1 or use the number afterward. So we say it's 20 to 3. So we match it to the analog clock. It's 20 to 3. So we move this one and then this one. Okay. The long hand is pointed at the number 8 because it's 40 minutes, and the short hand is between 2 and 3 because it will to the 3 o'clock. So we say it's 20 to 3. Okay, good. And the last one, this one. Oh, last 15 minutes. So we say it using quarter to. It's quarter to 1. Okay, let's remove the long hand to the 45 minutes. That is in the number 9, and then the short hand to the number 1 between number 12. This one. Okay, it's quarter to 1. Good job. Okay guys, that's all about what time is it. I hope that this video can make you more understand about how to read the clock correctly. I'm Hermin Granada. See you in another video and bye bye.